In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a copy of a folder in Google Drive. This guide is meant to help you not only streamline your workflow, but also ensure that important files are always safely backed up. So, let's dive right into it. First and foremost, open your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. You'll need to log into your Google account, so go ahead and enter your credentials if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of Google Drive, where all your folders and files are displayed. Now, let's assume you have a folder that you want to duplicate. Find and select this folder by clicking on it once. It's crucial to select the folder in order to proceed with the next steps. Once you've highlighted the desired folder, you need to open it. Simply double-click on the folder and its contents will appear on your screen. At this point, what you'll want to do is to select all the files within this folder. You can do this easily by clicking on the first file, then holding the Shift key on your keyboard and clicking on the last file. This action will select all files in between as well. With everything inside the folder selected, it's time to copy these files. Right-click on your selection, and from the context menu, choose the option labeled Make a Copy. Google Drive will now create duplicates of all the individual files, which will appear in the same folder. Each newly created file will have Copy of prefaced in front of its original name. Your next step is to select all these newly created copies. Just like before, click on the first copied file, hold down the Shift key, and click on the last one to select the group. It can be helpful to double-check that you're selecting the copies rather than the original files based on their file names. Now, with these copied files highlighted, right-click on the selection once more. From the menu that pops up, you need to click on Move To. A new window will appear showing the directory structure of your Google Drive. In this window, look for the option to create a new folder. There's typically an icon that looks like a folder with a plus sign. Click on this to start creating a new folder. You'll be prompted to give this new folder a name. Choose a name that makes sense for you, which will help you identify this as the copied version of your original folder. After naming your new folder, simply click Create to finalize it. Now, with the new folder selected in the directory window, click on Move Here. This action will move your copied files into the new folder, essentially creating a complete duplicated folder in your Google Drive. And there you have it. We've successfully made a copy of a folder in Google Drive. This simple process ensures that you have backed up files that are easily accessible and organized within your Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps keep your files secure and well managed.